Are you looking to earn big money from internet marketing without having to talk to anybody? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you kind of a new way to make money online. It's called high ticket affiliate marketing. And this is without having to speak to anybody. Just by having somebody click on the link, you can earn as much as $10,000, even $30,000 from a single click on your affiliate link, and I'll be exposing you to the affiliate program that'll accept affiliates worldwide. It is the best affiliate program you can join. It helped me quit my job. It is the biggest niche possible. I'll explain to you just how big it is. It's trillions of dollars, and this is actually the fastest growing niche in all of affiliate marketing. You'll want to stay tuned. I'm going to expose to you the best affiliate program on the planet and how you can earn these monster commissions just by promoting links out there on the internet and how you can do that. Stay tuned. Let's dive into it. This helped me quit my job, and I am excited to show you the money here. Woo! Hey, John Crestani here, super affiliate marketer, earner of ClickBank's Platinum Award multiple years in a row for being a high earner with that affiliate network. But I'm going to be showing you actually my favorite affiliate program. I haven't talked about this one much, but it's called high ticket affiliate marketing in general, is promoting and making big commissions over $1,000 per sale. Up to $10,000 or $30,000 is what you can make from one click in the best, biggest, fastest growing niche. Now, this is the best niche because it is the biggest niche. And this niche is called, it's investment niche. And basically, I'll be exposing you to the Regal Assets affiliate program, which allows you to tap into the $27 billion industry. 27 trillion dollar investment niche. Every year, literally trillions of dollars are being transacted between investment and retirement accounts, and you can literally stick yourself in the middle with your affiliate links, with your affiliate sites, and earn commissions as much as $30,000 from a single lead or a single click. And it's also the fastest growing niche, okay? Because wealth, as we all know, in the world just keeps increasing every year. I believe the amount of money in investment accounts increased by at least $1.5 trillion just in the US this year. And what's great about this affiliate program, which I'm going to show you on my computer, is that you can sign up for it anywhere in the world, and you can actually work with and under some super affiliates such as myself, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. Okay, so first off, the opportunity is massive, obviously, and it is advertising or putting up links to get people who are interested in investing in alternative assets other than stocks. So many people around the world know that gold and silver are some of the safest investments, but whether people want to invest in gold or silver or other precious metals or in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, you can get them and basically earn commissions from every single person who invests. So it's called Regal Assets, and as you'll see, the company is right here. It's been around for over 10 years. Just a little story. This is how I quit my job back in 2012. I was working for an ad agency. I was earning about $6,000 a month, which is just over broke in Los Angeles. Los Angeles is a very expensive city to live in. And I joined this affiliate program, and I started earning from $25,000 to $50,000 a month within just 3 months of starting to market this affiliate program. Now, there's a lot of opportunity here because back in the day, they were just allowing people to invest in precious metals. But now, if people are interested in investing in Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies as well, you can earn up to 3% commission from every single customer. And I'm going to explain exactly how this works, who you advertise to, how you join this affiliate program, and how you get paid in this video. So let's check it out. All you need to do is advertise this affiliate program. You advertise this page, you'll get an affiliate link, and it says diversify or grow your IRA with alternative assets. Now, many people are, and many people are actually fearing there's a big crash or correction coming. So this is literally the perfect time to get started with this affiliate program. People are scrambling to diversify their investment portfolios, and all you need to do to make money is have people enter in their name, email, and phone number. And you can actually get paid even if the people that you refer to this program don't buy, which is incredible. And the reason why you can get paid so much money is because this is investments. There's a lot of money in investments, and the companies in this space, such as Regal Assets, have a lot of money to be able to spend to afford for affiliates to help grow their company. Now, Regal Assets has been featured on the Inc. 500. Not only is this niche the fastest growing, but this is one of the fastest growing companies in the niche because its affiliates are making so much money, and it's very trustworthy work, with an A+ rating on the BBB, TrustLink, all this stuff, Forbes, etc. You want to make sure, I will have a link in the description where you can go sign up for this affiliate program, the Regal Assets affiliate program, which they call the Regal Assets Wealth Partners. And you can make high referral commissions. How big, are you wondering? Well, you can earn up to $100 per a verified lead, which means just by getting the person to enter in their information, you can get paid a lot of money. You can also make 3% per sale. Now, if you refer somebody who ends up investing, you make 3% of anything they invest. And the average investment is right here, $65,000. And the average commission you make from $65,000, if you do the math, is about $2,000, $1,950. $2,000! So I love doing that. It does not get old. So with that sort of money, you only need one good click. You need one good lead, and you can get a sale. You can create an extra income for yourself just by getting one good click who fills out their information. And either way, if you get people filling out their information who are interested, you will get $100, which makes this an absolutely amazing program for all affiliates. Additionally, the way this program works is there's a mentorship component to it. So I am one of the mentors because I'm one of the original affiliates here, and I have additional trainings and support if you sign up to help you make more money. So it's a win-win situation. Everybody wins, because this is a monster opportunity, and you want to get started. Now, if you're already excited about the concept of high-ticket affiliate marketing and making huge commissions from a single click, guys, hit the subscribe button, slam that down, hit the notifications bell. You can get some live streams from me and extra trainings. And also just go in the comments below, and if you are excited about this, type in high ticket, or I'm in the comments, because I'm excited about this. I quit my job because of this affiliate program. Now, while I mainly work, I work a lot with ClickBank, and a lot of people know about me from ClickBank. I'm excited to offer you this opportunity right here to make huge commissions to help you supplement your income. Now, if you can just imagine for a second that you only need to really send 10 clicks a month, you get 10 people, 10 targeted people clicking on your links per month, and you can make a side income of an extra $2,000. That's a huge opportunity, and you can do very well with this affiliate program. And an extra $2,000 a month can give you a great supplementary income. You could do that a week, and you're doing very well for yourself. So let me go deeper into this affiliate program. Now, as you see, over $306 million of business has been referred and has been invested with Regal Assets, into alternative investments such as gold, silver, crypto, Bitcoin, etc. And over $10 million of commissions has been paid out to affiliates of this program for referring that business. Now, you can see here, what's crazy is, I didn't put this, on the title of the video, but you can earn as much as $90,000. Here's a sale that somebody created. It was a $3 million investment, $90,000 commission for the affiliate. What? You know, you don't even have to talk. Salespeople don't even get that paid that well, and they have to talk to people. This is just from getting people to click on links. It's silly, but it's true, and that's the power of the internet. So there's more information here. You see they've been endorsed by, a lot of people, Dennis Miller, Laura Ingraham, etc. If you don't know who these people are, it's fine. You're probably a millennial, and these are all old people. Again, the people who have money in investment accounts are generally over the age of 50. So you really, if you're working with this affiliate program, you're only targeting people over the age of 50 who have the most money in their retirement accounts, and they were looking to diversify. So there's a little bit you have to learn, a little bit of terminology you have to learn, but it's valuable, and you can join as an affiliate. You would click this button right here to join as an affiliate. Now, if you're wondering how much money some of the other affiliates have made with this program, you can check out what some of my mentees have made who have, joined and been trained by me, either in my super affiliate system program or otherwise. And you'll see right here, here is one of my mentees who made over $287,000. So these are real results from real people. Here's $77,000. Here's another couple guys, $54,000, $15,000. So there's a lot of people earning a lot of money with this affiliate program, and it's really exciting to see all of the money being created for both affiliates and the fact that customers are now able to diversify their wealth from the stock market, which some people with conspiracy theories can arguably say is rigged, and really helping them invest in crypto and Bitcoin and precious metals, which are real sources of wealth. So you're not only helping people diversify here, but you're also being able to make a lot of money from facilitating that transaction. Makes sense? So I hope you're super pumped about this affiliate program, and if you have friends that would be interested in learning about high-ticket affiliate marketing, please, I encourage you, share this video with them, because it opened up the biggest industry in the world, $27 trillion. There's lots of wealth to be made here. I'd be excited to see if you make a lot of money here. There's going to be a lot of people moving into this now that this company is offering crypto and Bitcoin investment. So please share this video with others, share the love, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment below if you are in. If you are in, type in, I'm in the comments below. Love to see you take a part of things, and love to see you in future videos where I'll be going over. If I get enough people that say I'm in, if there's enough reaction to this, I'm gonna be going deeper into the ways of promoting this affiliate program. But I just want to open up the opportunity for you right here. So let's get it, have fun, and talk to you soon.